So to take out these lenses, the easiest way to do this is to sort of put it down on your lap and then push in the top left corner. If you're doing the left lens, is going to be a little bit difficult the first time, but that's okay. You're gonna feel like you're gonna break them, totally normal. Just push up on the top corner towards where the frame is that goes back towards your ear. Do that on both sides and it should come right out. Lean it against your leg so that the lens doesn't fly across the room, but it won't break, trust me. And when you put them in, you're gonna do the opposite. So you're actually gonna come in from the outside in. You want to hear the top click into place first, then you're just going to pop the bottom and hit it around a couple times to make sure it isn't loose, and then you are good. Same thing with the other side. Top corner first, then the other side, then the bottom, and it snaps right in. We're good to go. You have replaced your lenses. The more you do this, the easier it will get. And just like that, lenses replaced. These are transitions. My normal ones are also transitions, but they were getting really dirty no matter how much I cleaned them. If you're interested to know how the authentic Ray-Ban Meta transitions compare to these $35 replacement transitions, check out my next video. Thanks so much for watching.